so cold. Can't use the force.
Eric.
Leia? Oh, hi.
Were you like that all night?
No. From 1 to 4, I was whimpering because your knee was in my back. Yeah, we get to Madison next week. We're getting a bigger bed.
Eric, my knee was in your back because you were trying to hump me in your sleep.
No, I wasn't asleep. I gotta go. My folks come home from the hospital today.
Donna, what's going on in there? Donna?
Just a minute, Dad.
This is yours.
No time. Hi, Daddy.
I heard voices.
Oh, that was me. You know, greeting this beautiful morning.
Get up. May I ask why you're wearing my daughter's blouse?
I thought you'd be mad if I was nude.
Oh, what the hell?
Fez?
Oh, my God. Did you see anything?
Not much. You should really think about a nightlight.
Just